Hello everyone, welcome to Yoga Fitness with Priyanka Sharma. Friends, today we are going to do kids yoga. These all kids are going to be a part of this video because these kids are so stressed up working at home and studying online, which they are so much tensed, and their eyes and everything, the spine and everything is being hurted. So today we'll be doing some exercises like outdoor yoga. We are going to do it. So we'll do it first with the ball, which will take it for the cardiovascular system so that they are energetic and they work on their energies and their cardio system. Then the second thing what we will do is we will work on our flexibility, strength and flexibility. They have prepared a very good postures, yoga postures. So we will be doing that. And the third thing is a little quick memory game for their minds. So are you all ready, kids?
Yeah!
They are doing catch and catch. So this helps them to keep more alert, and it also improves their energy, and they are also increasing the cardiovascular system. Sitting at home, what happens is kids are so much stressed and tired. Here they are so alert and they are so much active. See, wonderful, very good. See, they are so much working on their heart. Very nice. So these guys are playing dog in the bone game, which helps them to make more alert and trying to be like they are acting as if one will catch the ball and they have to run back to their team. Oh yes, this Mohammed have already reached and their team wins. Now they are playing a memory game where these girls and the guys will do a quick memory game of the yoga postures. Okay, so Roma, can you please stand up and do one asan? So they will be showing their best asanas here. Okay. And then there's Ahmed's turn. So he will be repeating the first asan and the asan which he loves it. And whoever don't remember the asana, that person, that student is out of the game. Yeah. And it's a fun game. Oh, this is a difficult one. As you can see, it's crow pose. Okay, relax. Then we have Mohammed, where he will be doing the first, latter and his asan. Okay. Yes. So with this, what is happening? They are developing lot of strength. Okay, very nice. Then we move to the Siam, which he will be doing the first, second, third and his pose. So here they are improving lot of alertness, improving the flexibility and knowing themselves that they can do better. Very good. See, even he can do very nice. And yes, okay, firefly. They're trying to do firefly pose and his asan. Okay, he's on the head and one leg up. Very nice. Now it's Asana's turn. She's the last one. She will have to repeat all the asanas and her own asan. Usually we play this game with like 10-15 students when they come for the class. So this is fun. So you can also let your children do this when they get bored and tired. They can practice. See, here she did a mistake where she have to put. So you have to be very careful while doing the asanas and her own pose. Okay, this is her favorite asana. And relax. So good job, guys. Very nice. Clap for yourself. Good. So now we move to the third, that is yoga asanas. So all these students have prepared so well yoga poses. उसमें से ये मोहम्मद काउंटिंग देगा और ये सारे लोग क्या करेंगे, योगा आसनास करेंगे. तो चलिए देखते हैं. Let's start.
Yes. Yes.
So we'll begin. So they are doing first asan.
2.
Then the second, very nice.
4.
So as you can see, she's doing shoulder stand. Ahmed is doing wheel pose, and Mohammed and Saim, they both are doing holding their hands, doing a partner yoga. And this little one here, she is doing cobra pose. Very nice. So you can stay here for a few breaths.
Yes. Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4. See the stability of these guys. They were practicing since 3 days to stay here in this asanas. And in a group asanas, it takes lot of efforts because it's a teamwork, and they activate all their memories. And relax. Now they will prepare after that first one. Are you all tired, kids?
No.
See, they are so energetic. Now, so they have escaped from the studies, online studies, and they are doing the best. Now the second pyramid. Let's start. Let's see what they have done.
1,
Shoulder stand.
2,
Wheel pose.
4,
Shoulder stand and shoulder stand. As you can see, so beautifully they have done. All 4 sides are shoulder stand, and in the center, if you see, it's a wheel pose. Amazing. These kids have done so much efforts, and it improves their flexibility, it improves their blood circulation to their head, so it improves the concentration and memory power, and they sharpen their memory, they improve the flexibility of their spine. Amazing. We'll stay for 5 breaths.
Yes.
5,
yes,
4, 3, 2, and relax. So kids, are you all tired?
No.
Okay, so they will show the last one. Let's start how they have prepared. So first karenge, she will be doing split.
Second,
He is doing full back bend.
third,
They are on their head and they are using one leg. And Sahana, she is using whole strength. Very good, beautiful. It improves the strength and stronger arms, using the flexibility. Amazing, kids. 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax. So friends, here we are done with the shooting, and these kids were amazing. So if they want to share something, yes, Mohammed, Ahmed, Saim, Rukma or Sana, kuch bolna hai, yeah, you can just speak it out. How was the session?
It was so lovely.
Wow,
I like the poses and all.
very nice.
And it was so fun, and we played and do yoga poses.
Very good.
It was so stretchy, and we all have a lot of fun.
Wow,
I
yes.
think it will keep us fit. It will keep us fit, and it was wonderful.
Wow, so this is lovely. Like during this pandemic, the kids are been studying at home and doing all the internet work. So this is a great to come out and do some yoga poses and play with the some other sports and doing some yoga asanas. So I hope you like this video. Do share, do love, do comment, and we'll see you next time. Bye.